It is. Here's the big pitch. It is.
Johnson hits his ball well. But that makes it even easier to turn, too. Not an easy turn. Pedroia Wayne gets to the bag, leaps to the end, and makes an active throw. Good stretch by that.
He wasn't even touching the plate.
Double play.
How's a double play? He wasn't even touching the plate.
Middle of the field. To this map.
Oh, ain't gonna show that shit.
Acrobatic move by Pedroia. Won the Gold Glove. The Red Sox won it 6-5.
Call it after. It's fucking off the plate.
But just could not get over the hump. Both teams used all of their good pitchers, and the Red Sox end up winning this one by a score of 6-5. Let's take a look now at the plays of the game brought to you by.
Yeah, let's take a look at the last.